Will drinking alcohol break a fast?
Absolutely. So alcohol is, you can think of alcohol as the fourth macronutrient, the other three being carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Alcohol is actually a separate macronutrient because...
Well, because the body does not have a storage system for alcohol, right? It has a storage system for glycogen. It has a storage system for fat. It can't store alcohol. There's no way to store it, so it has to clear it out. So when you consume a lot of alcohol, your body shuts down lipolysis, which is the fat-burning process, and it says, I've got to address this alcohol that's in the system. And so it does that, and then it gets back to its other processes. But
so if you're fasting and you have a shot of alcohol, let's just say you have a shot of vodka, immediately your body will stop lipolysis. There's calories in alcohol, and yes, it will break your fast. So the answer is yes.